Okay, this is stock number 5-88J. It's a 2003 Audi Allroad 2.7 twin turbo. Had it running for about 20 minutes now. Looks like, except for the air filter from aisle 5 in AutoZone, it looks like it's pretty much stock. Sounds like it runs okay. It is pretty smooth. The transmission seems like it shifts okay. Didn't seem like it did that bad. There are a bunch of codes in this thing, which I think is a factory option for an Audi. Let's see, we have 8 in total. We have an 0340 for the crankshaft position sensor, bank 1 sensor A, an 0501 for the vehicle speed sensor A, 0103 for the mass airflow, 0172 for bank 1-2 rich, and the 175 for bank 2-2 rich, 491 and 492 for bank 1 and bank 2 air pumps, and we have a P0011 for the camshaft position sensor over advanced. So I'm thinking there's some parts that need to be changed, but it looks like it's all sensor related. No transmission codes at all. The dash is lit up like a Christmas tree. This has coilover suspension in it, so the adjustable suspension lights are on, traction controls on, brake lights on, ABS lights on, all that stuff. Probably got messed with when they did the install on that. But aside from that, I mean, as far as the motor itself, the transmission itself, change out some sensors, I think you're going to be good. Turbos seem like they're fine. Didn't smoke or knock or anything when it started up. No other lights on, and it did seem to drive fine, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. Supposedly this guy just did replace the turbos in it, and they look stock, or stock equivalent. I don't think they're performance turbos. The rest of the car's pretty much bone stock, so I think that's the way he went. So it should be good.